Hi guys! So today I'm going to show you an updated tour of my room since I've last kind of switched some things up. I am going to be decorating my room for Christmas and I'm super duper excited, but I thought I would show you what it looks like before Christmas. And this is a room tour with thrifted items, so I will be telling you the items that I have thrifted, and if I remember the price, I'll tell you the price. This mirror right here, which is a full-length mirror, I actually got from Home Goods, and I got it for less than $90 on clearance, and I absolutely love it. It's gorgeous. I was very happy to find it for so cheap, and this is what I used to film my outfit of the days. I'll also tell you guys where some of the stuff that I got it from, if it's not thrifted, that way you know. Maybe you can find it. The next thing I have is this wooden key, and I actually got this at Ross and I paid, I'm gonna say $13 for it. Sometimes you can find them at Ross. I don't know if you can find it anymore because it's been a couple years since I found it at Ross. And then the next thing is this feathered wreath. I freaking love this feathered wreath. I haven't found another wreath like this ever. It was just a wreath I found in a local vintage boutique shop in Turlock for $40. It's super gorgeous. I love it. It's something that I like it year round. I don't care if it's fall, summer, spring. It's freaking gorgeous. I love it. This piece right here, I paid $40 for, and it's from Marshall's, and it's a clothes hamper. It's metal. It's super duper cute. This is actually one of the first few items that I bought when I started buying stuff for my room. It's a couple of years old, but sometimes I still see it at like Home Goods or TJ Maxx or Marshall's, just like slightly different and in a different color. Now that picture frame over there with the mat, that was thrifted for $4. I thrifted that at not Good Samaritan. I thrifted it at the one that is just for senior citizens. That one. Hospice. Yes, I thrifted it at Hospice. And it had a completely different picture in it, but then I put my own picture that I took in San Diego in there last year. And then over here, this floral arrangement, a lot of the florals in it I actually got from Michael's on clearance. The wheat and the willow or willow buds, the white and brown sticks, those are from Hobby Lobby, and I got those 50% off. The little keys on there are from Michael's, and I got them for $1. The actual milk can itself was a garage sale find, and I only paid $5 for it, and it actually was freaking hideous. I mean hideous, because it was yellow and it had wallpaper, sunflowers all over it. It was definitely a piece from the 80s, and yeah, so I was very happy to find an actual milk can for $5 because they're freaking expensive, especially like where I live, even though there's a shit ton because everybody and their mother likes a farmhouse where I live. And then the next piece that I thrifted is this mirror right here. I thrifted it from Hospice for $5. I love it. It's super duper cute. Yeah. And if you guys can tell, I really like mirrors, but I like mirrors because they reflect light. And as you can tell, I have these two little baskets right here, and I thrifted those for $2 each at Hospice, and they have little leather handles on them. I use them for makeup storage and just items that don't fit in my makeup case. The rug underneath the chair I got from Ross, and I think I got that for like $15. This right here, this stool I got for 20 bucks, super duper cheap at Ross. The rug underneath my bed I got from a local rug store that was closing. I just like the just position. I'm probably saying that wrong, but my mouth doesn't want to say it correctly, of the fake fur and the kind of burlap-esque material. I don't know what to call this, but I like the natural fibers of it. I think I paid like $150 for it. And then the lovely, lovely, lovely white sheer curtains I got with the little pom-poms. I got these from Ross for like $10 for the both of them. And the little, I don't know if you can see, but the little, maybe over, yeah, over there. But the little diamond head rods, I got those from Target for like 10 bucks each. This mirror right here is from Target, and I got that from the Nate Berkus line, and that was 20 bucks. This is from the dollar store. This is from the dollar store. That's iBuyDirect.com. This right here was a Target clearance find, also from the Nate Berkus line. This was from Target. This was from Ross. This was thrifted. That was $2. These are from Hobby Lobby. Really, there you go. Now you can see they're yellow. I've got like crystals in here. I got those a while back in Utah. That's from my brother's engagement party. And then the trash can was $10, also from Marshall's. My makeup table I got for like $100 and something. I forgot like how much, but it was on clearance at Marshall's. Now over here, this metal tray right here, I thrifted it at Salvation Army for 79 cents. And this makeup tray right here, I thrifted from Goodwill for $3.49. I really love it. It's got like a, kind of like a vintage, modern look. I can't think of the word. It's going to bug me. And then I'll think about it. Oh, mid-century modern. Haha, Elizabeth. I figured. So I thrifted that. And then really quick, I thrifted this for like 50 cents at Hospice. I thrifted this frame for $3 at Hospice. It has a picture of me and my boyfriend in it. And then I got this secondhand, but I got this for like 20 bucks at one of those bougie vintage antique flea markets. And then over here, this clock right here is secondhand. It's from my mom. And then I thrifted these candlesticks for $1 each. And that's from Marshalls or TJ Maxx. That's from Marshalls or TJ Maxx. The little crystals, those are specifically from Yosemite. This, I have no freaking clue. It's hella old. It's been in my family for a really long time. I had it since I was a kid. It was a gift. Hey Good Looking, that's from Big Lots, and that was like $4 or $5. These are either like, I bought these secondhand, and then these are like gifts. So these are gifts from friends. And then these are just like my kimono books, and that's from Utah. The bookshelf is from TJ Maxx or Marshalls, one of the other, and it was like $100. I really like it. It's super cute. As you can see on the side, it has a little detail. And then over here, you can kind of see me, but I don't really want to be seen, so I'm going to step back. Over here, up on the wall, where it says love, or live, love, smile, I got that from Kirkland's for $25. Has a picture from my 29th birthday with me and my girlfriends. And then the sconces on the side that are mirrored. Those are from Ross. Those were $15 each. The crystal lamp that has chalk paint on it with the crystals was a thrift store find from Hospice for $15. And I just put a lampshade from Ross that was $9. The picture frame with my brother and his baby, or his son. His son is now 1. My nephew, so cute. From Ross. The trunk was a garage sale find that I got for $20. I can't believe I got that for $20. It's freaking beautiful. And then the suitcase was a thrift store find. I got that for $5 from Hospice. And the tray that has like jewelry in it and sunglasses, that's from Walmart, from their Better Homes line. I don't know if you can still get that. Now, my bed is secondhand. I got it off the Facebook Marketplace app, and I paid $250 for this solid oak bed. I love it. It's absolutely like gorgeous. It's a queen. The pillows on there, the back pillows with the fake fur, those were $25 each. I got those from TJ Maxx, and the smaller gray pillow is from Home Goods. I got that on clearance for like $10 or $12 or something like that. The bed sheets are from Target, and the actual white bed cover, bed sheet, whatever you want to call it, duvet is from Marshalls, and that was $40. And then the throw is also from Marshalls or TJ Maxx, I forget which one, and this was like $20. I love the texture. I love mixing textures. It's one of my favorite things. And then over here, this piece was thrifted for $25, and I remade it, and I think I spent like $80 on it. And I painted it and then switched out the knobs. It's super duper duper nice. It's real wood. It's vintage. I love it. Then this one is from Kirkland's. I paid $20 for it. That floral piece is from Burlington. I think that was like $10. These two Mercury candlesticks were my mom's, and she didn't want them anymore, and I wanted them. And then I thrifted the big Mercury one, and I paid $3 for that one. And the candles on here are the flameless candles, and those were a gift from someone that I used to date, stepmom, and she's super nice and she still likes me. Then over here I have this vintage antique table that I use as my nightstand, and I got that in Pacifica at a antique store, and I paid $50 for it. And now I'll show you really quick some of the stuff that I got. Like this right here, this lamp I got on clearance from Home Goods, and I paid 20 bucks for it. And then the lampshade is from Ross, and that big metal picture frame that matches the item from Walmart is actually from Kirkland's a couple of years ago, and I only paid 20 bucks for that. I really like it. This right here is from IKEA, and the potted plant, like this right here, is thrifted. I paid like 2 bucks for it. This is thrifted. I paid like $1 for it. This is thrifted. I paid closer to like $2.50 for it. It's really, really pretty. I like it. The basket is thrifted. I paid $3 for it. And then over here, the cloche is from IKEA. I paid $15 for it. And the reindeer inside, I paid, I think I paid $3 for both of them. They were combined. And I got that from Goodwill, and they're brass. The fan was a gift from a friend. This was from my sister-in-law, but the rest of these books were thrift store finds, and I paid like $1 or 10 cents. I can't remember. They were like hella cheap. I like to thrift books, but this says The Tree Bride, Gracefully Insane, The Art of Possibility, Wild at Heart, and The Art of Imperfection. I actually chose these based off of their titles. That was intentional. And then over here, this big piece over here that's more modern is from Burlington, and I paid $50 for it. But yeah, that is my room. And then of course, like, the ceiling fan is from Lowe's. I picked that out. But yeah, that's my room. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will be doing a Christmas tour of how I decorated for Christmas. I hope you guys enjoyed. Have a great day. Bye.